So this constitutes a set of my handled top tools. This is H13 steel and are obviously machined, just makes for more consistent tools, but I still need to dress and handle these. I may change this set, that is what I offer for sale, in the near future. Although this steel is ideal for hot use, it's not impervious to being worn, and for today I will make myself a new handled round punch. I'll use the old punch, which is still fine, just worn down, as a drift. I've done similar videos, but I've made some slight changes to my handling method. And the new old drift will replace this old drift. I like to use this countersink on the hole to reduce the sharpness of the edges, and so reduce the chance of it digging into the handle. The following people are new Patreon patrons: James Whittington, Ben Hengst, Arild Asen or Asen, and Chris McLean. Thanks very much. I also need to give a very big shout out to Raymond Roberts. He recently purchased tools and also made a big donation, the kind that really helps keep the channel going. Much appreciated. By the way, the donations are also helping me keep the birds fed. Some of these birds have champagne taste, expensive bananas and organic crackers.
Hold on, buddy. Step aside, get back. Man, oh man. I'm gonna break this up for you. There. Jeez Louise.
I'm really being a poser today. The reason I'm flattening out the top end there of the loop is because I don't want it to rock back and forth too much when I place it on a nail. So that's all she wrote. This tool is now ready for use. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Thanks to everyone who watches. Catch you guys next time.